films, and without my support from other cast and crew like Shane, Esther, Mr. Ramakrishnan, Pierre, and then Radhakrishnan, and then Isaac, and Kani, I could not able their devotions, and then probably the most important thing is that all support from the correct, honest devotion to make this film as a kind of an honest expression of themselves, which made the film into such a way of addressing a fantasy. Basically, fantasy, as you know, it is a dream for everybody. Without dream, we are there if we don't have it. And the dream is mainly our supporting imagery for all of us to image that we have fantasies and we have thoughts that we need to look it into a different world also, which is poetry, which is fiction, which is cinema also. And all over the world, the idea was always experimented, always brought into the visual forms through these kind of attempts all over the world. And in practically, in Indian cinema probably, we may see this as kind of an experiment, but it is not. It is an idea that you are seeing your own images on a mirror, where the white screen is the image for you as the mirror. And that way, I'm so happy this has been received very well here. And it is my beginning journey from here to other opening areas also. I'm glad that we could able to, that you understood what I wanted to say. That itself is giving so much strength for me to make my next film also. Thank you.
4 years back, I was here in IFFI, and as a delegate, I was really lined up in the queues and everything. And after 4 years, my film is being selected as opening film, which is a very great feeling altogether. And it also kind of boosts my confidence that anything is possible. You just need to focus on your work, craft, and dedication is the most important key to do that. Regarding Kharvas, it was a very intense story about motherhood, about silent mother, which is being played by Veena Zamkar, who has done a splendid job. And after a mother loses her child during the delivery, a lot of complications, and we have something that is very important, which is called stillbirth, when the child is just, actually fully matured, but it actually dies. So what was our main goal in doing this was trying to understand that many a times in our society we really try to skip thinking about such kind of problems. If it is about a woman, we just pretend as if we don't know about it, or there's no problem at all in the first place. So this story is about the struggle of a mother trying to find peace in a very turmoil kind of a situation, when she has to fight on two fronts. One is herself, the fight which is within herself as a mother, and again the second fight is very important, most important rather, is the fight with the society, the perceptions of different people regarding the same issue. So we tried to do that, and the film was shot in Goa. Many people ask me whether I'm a Goan or a Mumbaiker. I keep telling them I'm both, because my mother is from Mumbai and my father is from Goa, so I have both the backgrounds. And it was shot in Goa for 5 days, and it was an incredible experience, because the most challenging aspect as a new filmmaker, I've done only one film before this which won the national award, and this is my second film, to be very precise. And the most important challenge was trying to configure and execute the climax of this film.
What I understood from the movie is there is purity. You know what is that? I don't know. I'm experiencing that soon. I don't know. There is purity in everything. This movie, thank you so much, sir. Yeah, that's right. We all have to thank, I think. This kind of movie should come. I really believe in that. Because at the end, we all have to sleep in peace, right? There should be love in our hearts. Everyone should love each other.
It's a beautiful film, a beautiful story where I'm portraying the character of Maya. Thank you, sir, for giving me Maya. Like he said, it's innocence, it's love, it's purity, so many things. And where you don't see the person and you still have to feel his presence and, talking to him. You have to have all the emotions. It is a beautiful character, and I'm very lucky to work with him. Such a legendary director. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. I have nothing more to say. Thank you so much.
Producer, I'm really proud to associate with Shaji sir and present a movie like Odu here in the TV. I've been producing movies right from 2007, produced about 20 movies in Malayalam and Tamil. That includes short films, documentaries and feature films. And I have got recognitions also, but it was my long time desire to work with a director like Shaji Karun sir. And it was not happen just like that. We discussed many subjects. I think more than 5 years we were discussing various subjects. And finally this was only a plot in his mind which he mentioned. And from there, the scriptwriter, the famous novelist Ramoshnan, K.D. Ramoshnan, he has developed the subject. And I'm very happy now that it was a very good teamwork. In fact, there are so many national award winners in camera or makeup or any area if you look at it. All talented people have worked in. And two young artists like Shane Nigam and Esther, their performance. All together as a producer, I'm very happy.
I'm not basically a theatre person. And how I entered in this film, the Mr. Aditya Zamri, 2-3 years back, he has done one short film, that Abba Aitaina. And somewhat I was associated with him, I was working with him. So I inspired from there. And then while talking, he told me the Kharvas story, the theme of that. And I liked that. And I thought that why should I not enter in this field and see what happens. But I want to say that I am very glad, and as a producer, I wanted to say this is an extraordinary success of the film Kharvas. This was my first time appearing in this. This is the baby born this of me, what I have to say, and this was my first efforts to produce something, and in the non-feature film, and he gave me the chance of that, and I had confidence regarding the Aditya Zamri because we are so working hard and all these things, and so at last we got this in Indian Panorama in the non-feature film to inaugural function that our Kharvas was shown.